Hey guys, self-checkout, Gorilla Channel edition here. So, the other day my girlfriend and I were looking to experience a bit of nature, and what better way to do that than to head on down to Rainforest Cafe at Arizona Mills Mall in Tempe, Arizona. So that's exactly what we did, and I've got to say that the food was much better than what I was expecting. I had a burger which was crisp and juicy. The sweet potato fries had a bit of a kick to them. And it got me to thinking about my own kind of imagined utopian society and how it would have to include the kind of nature preserve in the vein of the Rainforest Cafe, complete with animatronic wildlife for people to observe and appreciate and interact with. Yeah, although I'm not too sure about the costs. I don't know how much moon coin it would require to maintain the ecosystem. So I think that would be something I would have to research before moving forward with implementation. So yeah, I'll get right on that. Anyways, I did manage to snag a bit of footage of the wildlife while I was there. I didn't get to take as much video as I wanted to because certain areas I wanted to venture off to were filled with tables of screaming children, the wildlife among us, so to speak. So I thought better to steer clear. I will show you the footage I do have, though, so it's not much, but enjoy. Who says that the Gorilla Channel doesn't exist, right? That's all for now.